So if you Canva, do this on a laptop. So the first thing you need to do, go to just search, open a browser. Let me close this and search for Google Domains. The first or the second link should be the one. So I'm gonna just click on the first one. Now you will get this page, and on the top right there is this thing that is there is a button that says my domains. If you don't see this button or you don't see this page, it probably means you haven't logged in. So you can log in. If you don't have a Gmail, a Google account, create one. But once you do a login, you should see this page. So on the top right, I will click on this button. Then once you get here, for me, you can see all of my domains, the domains that I have. So Google Domains host domains. You can buy and keep your domains. And they also do what you want to do, which is make that landing page. So before I leave here, let me show you your domain that you already have. If I scroll towards the bottom, you will see this is your domain. So I'll click on that. So for you, when you come here to this page, you won't see anything because you don't have any domain registered with Google. So for me, I have several. Eventually, when I send you your own, which is this guy, you should see it. You should see it on this page and be able to do what I'm going to show you next. So anywho, I will click on your own domain. So when it's your time to do this, please click on this and you should see this page. On the left are your navigations, Rabi. So you have domain preview, which is what I'm currently on. Domain registration settings. I'm going to click this. DNS website. This is what you want, Rabi. This is what you want. So at the center here, there are two boxes: build website, forward domain. You want to click build website. So you will see all kinds of options. There's one by Wix. There's a blog style. There is a simple website by Google Sites, and that is the one you will choose. You can actually do one like make one using Shopify. You probably have heard of Shopify. If not, it's a kind of like an e-commerce CMS platform. If none of what I said makes sense, don't worry. The one you want is this guy, simple website. So you click it. So you say continue. And here, so it says create a website with Google Sites, powered by Google Sites. So you say start new. So it's thinking right now. We'll just wait. And that is it. You have the page where you can build the website. So for example, for the page title, I can say Rabia Moda, for example, right? Now, on your right hand side, this is like the tools you need to build. So you have insert, you have pages, you have themes. Maybe the first thing you can do is to choose a theme. If you don't like this theme, so for example, you can click on this. You can see it's changing. Diplomat, Vision. This Vision looks nice. I'm gonna leave it at that. But let's check out Level. Let's check out Impression. Let's go to Vision. I like Vision, for example. So you've chosen your theme. Let's go back to Pages. You click on Pages. Now this is where you can add like an extra page. So you can come to the bottom. You see this. I can click on this new page. I can call it About, or maybe the promo that you're doing or something, and then Done. So you have two pages, Home and About. So you can toggle between them. Can you see it's changing? So that's what the Pages is about. And then Insert. This is where you organize how your page look. So you have text, image, embed, Google Drive. One of the, like if you want to add a picture, you can choose any of these content blocks. So let's say I want to add a picture and a text. So I will drag this and put it here. So I'll put the text, my promo, my Instagram promo. And then here you can click and upload the image. Let me see my book cover, something like that, Rabbi. So then here you can add some text. It can be anything, but let me get a dummy text and add. So yeah, like that. So you see now you have the header this side, and then underneath you have this block of content. You can continue to add. Let's say you want to add like more pictures, like more images. So I can choose this style or layout. You see this layout has 3 images. So you keep doing like that. Just keep trying. Keep playing with this. It takes a little bit, but eventually you should be able to get it. And then you can click Publish. Before we do that, let's name this site Rabia Moda. And then you can even add a logo here. So when you're done, you click Publish. Website address, Rabia Moda. So this one, but just leave it. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter. But on this side, you see it says custom domain. It says allow up to 48 hours for this site to also be viewable at this. So once I say publish, it might not be ready on this. Like once you go to this website domain, you won't be able to see the website immediately. But when you go here, you can see it. And here, like I said, here can be anything. Here we'll just leave it at Rabia Moda. So I'll just click publish. It's publishing. It looks like it has successfully published. Your site has been published. So I can click on this drop down button, and I can it has this option where I can choose to view published site. So let's click on that. So there you go. You have your website ready and you can share it. Now again, if you look at the address is the one that Google gave you. Now let's try to use the one that your custom domain. Okay, let's try that. So let me see if I can remember that custom domain. Oh, here it is. So this is the custom domain. Let's see if it is available. Remember, they told us that we need to wait for 48 hours, but I'm going to try anyway. Maybe it's available. And you see, that is not available yet. So we need to wait a little bit. But it is eventually going to be available. So I hope this helps, Rabi. But that's really it. Remember, you can always come here. Let me show you how you can always get back to this place. Let's go back to Google domain. So domains.google.com. I have my list of domain. I'll go to the domain of interest here. So on the preview, as you can see, there is a green checkbox that says you've already created the website. So, and once you click, like once you scroll a little down, you can see this website preview is not available. So anytime you want to edit your website, you can just come here and click manage website. And it should take you to the website. Visit Google Sites. It will take you to your website where you can edit. So that's how to get back. Feel free to ask any question, Rabi, if you need help.